Hello guys, this video is for some of us who think it is impossible to code with mobile phone. Today, I'm going to run Node.js, Express.js, and connect to Mongoose with my smartphone, as you can see. So first, I'm going to use my favorite code editor, which is Acode, and I am going to use Tmux for terminal, and I'm going to use Wrestler to test our APIs. So first, let's go to Acode, and as you can see, yeah. So as you can see, I have some dependencies installed: bcrypt, CuckooPesa, Cost.env Express, and Mongoose with the rest. So as you can see, I imported Express because I'm using type module here, and Express from Express, and Mongoose from Mongoose. I also have my .env because I store my Mongoose URL in the env, as you can see over here. So the app is running on port 1990, so 1990, okay. And you can see app is listening. I'm listening to the ports because we created a variable here which is defined as ports, and the server running on ports with the ports which the server is running on. That is what we are going to get in our console. And as you can see, I have already do this. Okay, so here I'm going to correct this. Should be connected. So once we're connected, okay. So as we have corrected this, what we are going to do is that we are going to run this, as I said earlier, that we are going to use Tmux. So here, if you come back here, you notice that our file folder is in learning, and from learning we get our server folder before we get the server.js. So let's now cd inside the learn, and then we are going to cd inside the server. Now we are going to say npm. Before we do this, let's save the changes we made, because it was throwing error first because of this. So as we will expect this app to run on in a port 1990. So I'll say npm run dev. The reason why I'm using run dev is because if you come here, I have NodeMon started with dev. So it should be npm run dev. So right now, if I click enter, you can see, yeah, you can see now that the server is running on port 90, and you can see DB connected, which means we actually connected to our MongoDB from here, and we are getting the DB from .env. So you can see, and again if you just want to get your Mongo URL, just the same way you do it with your mobile phone. So we just come to your listing, we come to your Google, and you go to Coolstar, just loading, guys. Sometimes if like it is worrying, if it's doing you somehow, you can come over here and choose desktop mode. As you can see here, you can check it, so you will be able to view it just like you are viewing in this desktop. So from here, you go to your overview, click connect, then compass. So from here, you can actually get your cluster. Then you copy it, and you will do whatever you want to do with it. And yeah. So then that is how I get this link. Now let's test the API. So I'm using this Restler. I don't know that this guy is playing Restly. Sorry, guys. So here, I remember that our app is running on a 9090, right? So let me just clean this port, and that should be HTTP localhost and the port 9090 as you can see in our terminal, port 9090. So we have the port 9090, and you're just going to do /. And if you come over here, you notice that this place where we are getting API endpoint 1, we have test 1. So let's test this one. And this test 1 has a message for us. Here we are using statue of 200, and success should be true. And they have a message for this is a test 1. So let's test it and see what we are going to get. Let me press this test 1. And the method is get. So we are going to change this post to get, then run the API. Now you can see hello from test 1. And if we do test 2, we're going to say hello from test 2. And if we do test 3, we're going to say hello from test 3. So you see, guys, you can do whatever you are doing on a laptop with your smartphone. It's only that it is stressful. Laptop is more easier and balanced. Thank you guys for watching. I made your boy Fine.